Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I could really go for some chicken wings, but I really don't want to go get some. I don't know if I can add it to my diet, my macros. Well, why don't you just make them at home? You want to learn how to do that? I got you covered. And I'm Mr. Mom 713. I'm a stay-at-home dad, been a stay-at-home dad for over a decade. I've been into fitness for even longer than that, and I'm just here to help you get or stay fit. So I'm here to show you what I eat throughout the day to stay lean, to stay healthy. I'm gonna air fry the chicken wings. Use only a few ingredients, doesn't take long. I'm just gonna do a 6-piece wing. I use the flats, I prefer the flats. Sauce we're using is Frank's Red Hot. That's all you need to get. Frank's Red Hot sauce, get the wing sauce. Everything's already mixed in there, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil. And the secret to making these wings crispy, you have to do this first. What you wanna do with the wings, take them out, you wanna pat them dry, kind of let them hang out a little bit, pat them dry with a paper towel. And then the secret is baking powder. You have to sprinkle some baking powder on them. That's what makes them crispy. So they're gonna come out of the air fryer and be nice and crispy, just like you went to the restaurant. I promise you, they taste so good. You won't even notice the difference. So what I'm gonna do, let's go just take them all, put them in a mixing bowl here. I'm gonna add just almost a tablespoon of oil. It's only a six-piece wing here, actually. Now it's a 6-piece wing. Sorry about that. Just add a little bit of, I just like to add a little sea salt, just a little bit, give it a little flavor, a little pepper. And like I said, start out with a teaspoon. You don't want to do too much baking powder. So a little teaspoon here, make sure each one gets some on it. There we go, cover a little bit. Now remember, this is what makes them really crispy. Like when you go to the restaurant, we all know what makes them crispy there, right? They fry them up. We're not using that. We're not gonna fry them up because we're trying to watch what we eat. We're trying to stay healthy. We're trying to stay fit. So what we're gonna do, mix these together, get that oil on there. This is so easy. We're gonna start up the air fryer, put it at 400, okay? Then you're gonna stick them in there for 10 minutes, okay? So these are gonna go in the air fryer 10 minutes. We're gonna check them, then we're gonna flip them, let them do another between 8 to 10 minutes or so. We'll just keep checking them till it gets the perfect crispiness, and that's it. You're all done. You're having a 6-piece wing once you mix in the sauce, and it's so good. It'll taste just like at the restaurant, I promise you. Check it out. Okay, so that's kind of loud. So what you want to do, just set them in here. Like I said, the 6 pieces should be all you need. If you want to throw 2 more in there, get you an 8-piece, that's fine. It's not going to set you back too far. Whatever your macros are, 6 pieces is fine for me. We're going to let it cook in there, and then we're going to flip it. And then once that's done, then we'll mix in the sauce, and you're ready to eat. That's it. Let's go. Okay, guys, these are done. Nice and crispy. Look at that. Just like at the restaurant. Still super hot. Look how crispy those are. Just perfect. All right, now you want to hit them with the Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. Let's go with that. I'm gonna do half a cup. Let's see how much that coats them. Look at that. Wow. Let's go ahead and stir it around. That's all you gotta do. Just put them in there, stir them around. You can hear how crispy they are. Just look at that. Just perfect. So these cooked in 18 minutes total. It's real easy to prep them, air fry them. You don't have to worry about all the grease that they cook them in. Let's go ahead and put them on a plate. That 6-piece is all you need. I got some carrots and celery on there. Like most wing places you go to, they'll give you a side of carrots and celery or one or the other. Then pour the rest of that on there. Look at that. Check that out. Just like at the restaurant. But you made it at home, and it's a lot healthier for you because you know exactly what you're putting on it. You know exactly what you're eating. And finally, I use the light ranch because we know what you get at the restaurant. I also use fat-free blue cheese. So that's just me, but you have to measure it out, okay? So 2 tablespoons. You have to measure it out because you just dump it on there. You're not gonna know how much you get on there. So look at that. I mean, that's gonna give you enough. It's only a 6-piece wing. Look at that. All right. So there's our blue cheese, and over here, there it is. That's plenty for a 6-piece wing. This smells so good. I'm about to tear them up. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any advice, ideas. I'm always willing to learn. What I make at home is the healthiest I can. I love chicken wings. That's one of my favorite foods. However, I know whenever you go out to a restaurant, the way they cook them is not that good. The wings at the grocery store, you can buy them already portioned. Get you some wing sauce, some Frank's. You got to get the Frank's. All right, get the Frank's red hot wing sauce, and that's all you need. Make sure you add the baking powder though. That's what makes them crispy. So that's the secret to making them crispy. Air fry them 400 degrees for 10 minutes, flip them, and then another 8 to 10 minutes or so. Just kind of watch them, pull them out, shake them out throughout the cooking time, and just see how they look. But eventually they're just gonna come out perfect like that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.